Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make crunchy fried rice, easy method. Use day-old rice and a very hot pan, then spread rice thinly to create crisp edges. Work in batches to avoid steaming and add oil between batches for even browning. Season near the end to preserve texture and finish with a quick toss of scallions or sesame oil for flavor and shine. Start with simple ingredients and focus on technique for the crunch. Use cold, day-old rice, high smoke point oil, and minimal wet sauces until the end. Fry aromatics quickly, then add rice and press gently to form a crisp layer. Flip or toss to crisp other sections, and finish with a splash of sauce and some fresh scallions for brightness and texture that elevates every bite. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if it's helpful. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you cook, fits cup holders, and keeps drinks cold during kitchen marathons, perfect for tasting between bites. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one if you cook often. Now let's get back to the video. Temperature and timing are the real secrets to crunchy fried rice. Keep the pan very hot and press the rice into a thin layer to brown properly. Work in smaller batches so each grain gets direct contact with the hot surface, and add oil as needed to keep things moving. Finish with a quick toss of sauce, herbs, or an egg for protein and extra texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.